Welcome guys again. Today is another day again. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background and blur background in CapCut. Let's dive in. So on this library I'm going to look for one particular video that I can use. For example, I think let me use this one. Oh, it's already downloaded already. Let me use this one. So I'll drag it down here. So I'll drag it down and then I'll click on it. Then I'll go to this particular place where you see video basic remove background. So this particular remove background, I'm going to click on it and click auto remover, and it will automatically remove the background for me. So I'm going to give it time to load. So let's wait. It's already removing the background already, so we're waiting. Yes, as you can see, it has already removed the background already. So let me turn it on again. I duplicate this one. I turn off this auto remover from the top layer, then the down layer, I turn on the auto remover. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this one up now. And then the one that I didn't remove the background, I put it down. The one that I removed the background, I take it up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go under effects here. So you're going to look for, let me check on that. You can search for it, blur. You can search for it. Let me search for it and see if I'll see. It's not loading fast, probably network issue. So you can reload it again and see. So it's still not loading. I'm going to check on that figure and see. Is it network? I'm gonna check this network again. The network is connected. I don't know why the network is slow this morning. Thank God. So you can see it here, blur. So I'm going to drag it and put it under the first layer, the one that I didn't remove the background. I'm going to put it under it and see the effect now. Hold on, let me show you the before and after. Or I can drag it under here. So the face should be under. I don't want to put it in the video. I want to put it where. Let me take this one off. So I want it to go under. So I'll take it to the edge. So let me see the before and after. Let me zoom into it so you can see the before and after. See the before, see the after, see the before, see the after. So let me click again. You can see. Let me turn it off. See after. You can see. So, but I think it's too much. It's not looking natural. It's not looking natural. So I'm just gonna reduce it a little bit. I don't want it to be too much. So if I increase it now, see, it's too much. I want to reduce it a little bit to a point that I can still see some few details in the video. So let me turn it up and on. So a little bit of it is already okay already. You don't have to do too much. Let me play it now. You can see even the little effect that I had there is still effective. It's still showing. So let me show you the before and after. You see, check the light since this motor now, this particular place there. Yeah, let me play it now. You can see the before, see after, see before, see after. You can see how it blurred the background. You can try it with any video of your choice, but I think I am done already. So this is how to blur background in CapCut. So any background at all, any video at all you want to blur the background, you can do it here in CapCut like this, same way like this. If you have any other way to blur background, you can put it in the comment section. Let's learn from each other. So this is one of the ways that I know that we can blur background in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to like, comment for more tip. Thank you guys. Peace.